इस पार्टनरशिप के बारे में बताइए, लाइक फेमिना एंड किट यूनिवर्सिटी के बारे में।
देखिए, फेमिना किट यूनिवर्सिटी के बारे में पार्टनरशिप बहुत अच्छा हो रहा है। खुशी लग रहा है जब फर्स्ट टाइम ईस्टर्न पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया में होगा, दैट वो यूनिवर्सिटी कैंपस में होगा, आज तक नहीं हुआ होगा, एंड दैट उड़ीसा स्टेट भुवनेश्वर में होगा। सो डेफिनेटली इट इज़ टू गुड फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस। ये जगन्नाथ जी का भूमि है, प्रभु लॉर्ड जगन्नाथ जी का भूमि है, एंड उड़ीसा इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी ब्यूटीफुल स्टेट। आज बोलते हैं इंडियाज़ बेस्ट केप्ट सीक्रेट, उसका होता है स्लोगन। तो इसलिए ये बहुत अच्छा होगा 61st एडिशन ऑफ द फेमिना मिस इंडिया। मैं वेलकम करता हूँ और मैं आशा व्यक्त करता हूँ डेफिनेटली दिस विल बी सक्सेसफुल।
अभी ये सवाल आप तीनों के लिए, मतलब सर ने आप तीनों को वेलकम किया है, 61st फेमिना वहाँ पे हो रहा है, तो उसके बारे में बताइए।
I think that place has been really special for all of us, Odisha, and especially when we talk about Keet, because we have been there twice to judge the Keet Nanni Pari contest. And I must say that the talent that we have seen in the university, the campus, it's amazing, and we are really excited. And when we got to hear this news that it's happening in Keet, we were really excited and we were really thrilled. So I congratulate WWM, and I congratulate Sir. I congratulate all of us because it is happening in the soil of Lord Jagannath, and we can't be more happy about it.
आप दोनों कुछ कहना चाहोगे?
Just adding to that, 60th year of Femina Miss India was a year of a lot of firsts. It was the first crown for all of our respective states. So I think having the next edition of Femina Miss India for the first time in East India is just an extension of it. So extremely happy and thrilled to be a part. And I just can't wait for the world to see what Odisha and what Miss India together has to offer.
I would say that Odisha is very culturally and heritagely rich, and KIT, we have personally gone there twice, and we have seen the work that Sir has put in KIT and in KISS and in developing Odisha and Bhubaneswar all together. And this partnership, I think, is gonna take the platform. I feel Femina Miss India is a similar platform which has given lot many girls a platform to go out and show themselves to the world, grab the opportunities and do well. And so has Sir with KIT Nanni Pari and with KIT and KISS. So I think this partnership is something that we are definitely looking forward to, and it's going to be a huge success for sure. Thank you.
This year we are celebrating the Daughters of the Soil, and the beautiful part about this amalgamation or this combination and this partnership is that we have a wing at KISS, which is the Kalinga Institute of Social Sciences, which celebrates over 80,000 tribal students, and Sir has been providing them with education, livelihood, healthcare, and KIT and KISS is basically home to over 80,000 tribal people. So Sir is basically celebrating the keepers of the soil, the tribal community, and we are celebrating the daughters of the soil, and I think that's a beautiful combination.
आखिरी सवाल सर आपके लिए। सर, आपने इतने सालों में इतना कुछ बिल्ड किया है, एनी मैसेज फॉर द अपकमिंग टैलेंट जो आपको बोलना है?
देखिए, अपकमिंग टैलेंट्स के लिए तो बहुत कुछ है, उन लोग को भी पता है। ओनली बोलूँगा, दिस इज़ द एज ऑफ एक्सपोजर, दिस इज़ द एज ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन, दिस इज़ द एज ऑफ नॉलेज। तो जो जितना अपना कम्युनिकेशन, नॉलेज, एक्सपोजर बढ़ाएंगे, वो उतना ब्रांड बिल्डिंग कर पाएंगे, सेलेबल होंगे मार्केट में, उसका उतना सब कुछ बढ़ेगा। तो मैं सबको बोलूँगा, पढ़ाई का साथ ये सब चीज़ भी थोड़ा थोड़ा करने से कल आप लोग भी मिस इंडिया और रनर्स अप यहाँ पर आके खड़ा हो जाएंगे।
थैंक यू सो मच। एंड गाइज, एनी मैसेज बिफोर यू गो? तीनों के लास्ट।
I have read somewhere, Samant Sir has only quoted it, that education is the third eye of a child. This collaboration, I think it's not just a amalgamation of legacies, but it also sends a very strong message that everything, even pageantry, which talks about empowerment, which talks about transformation and growth, starts from education. So everything starts from education. So even if you want to become a Miss India, educate yourself first, do your schooling, and then come to Miss India.
I do think enough has been spoken about what we have to offer, and I think only thing that I can add to influence you to come here and be a part of this celebration is that if you don't do it now, then when? So come, we are waiting for you.
I would like to tell to all the girls this one tip, one insider tip, that come to express and not impress, and that will get you everything that you want. Thank you.
Thank you so much and all the best.